So just before I left this morning to take my little one to school, this arrived on my doorstep. So we are going to open it up together. I think it's the Elves box for March, and I think that the theme is something to do with cookies. I'm not entirely sure, but we're going to find out together. No, in my luck, it'll be something completely different, and that intro will actually have been a complete waste of time, but you know, it is what it is. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and I'm excited to open up this box because I don't actually know what's inside, honestly. I think it's the Elves box. I'm praying it's the Elves box. Pink scissors at the ready. Let's crack open the outer layer. So if you are new to my channel, first and foremost, hello and welcome. My name is Ayesha. You can call me Ayesha Shasha. I am your kawaii crafting sister, and I am here to give you all of the Sophie and Toffee goodness. If you are a Sophie and Toffee fan, then definitely do stick around, because here we like to unbox things and brainstorm ideas together, and then I do also make crafts from the boxes too. This box looks different. Is this not the Elves box? Oh my God, what is this? What have I done? What is this? Oh no, it is an Elves box, but it's really... How am I matching the box? Wait, hold on. That's another thing. If you're new, you won't know. But if ever I match the box or match like something that's inside the box, I do get rather excited. You know, guys, that we've been having the pastel yellow dinosaur boxes for the Elves box. I had no idea. Look at this. Oh my goodness. And me wearing my iridescent jacket was a last minute decision, okay? Literally a last minute decision. I am full blown matching the box. I am so shocked. I can't believe that. I really and truly can't believe that. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Woo, the box feels full today. It feels really, really nice and packed. Or is that just bubble wrap? I'm not sure, but it does feel packed. So so we do have still the dinosaur wrapping paper. Now, I think that the theme is something to do with cookies. I did see the word cookie pop up on the email, but I don't look at the emails because I don't like to see all the spoilers, you know. Occasionally I'll have a sneak peek, but generally no. So let's feel around first for a card or a booklet. That's the booklet there. We'll pop you over here. Oh, don't fall off. There we go. Okay, what's the first thing I'm going to pull out? Okay, straight off the bat, I'm feeling two pigments. Are they alcohol inks or are they just normal pigments? Colors, we're going to go for yellow and purple. Not that close. We have maroon and we have blue, but they're very, very muted maroon and blue. So these are Morandi pigments, and Morandi pigments are always very muted in tone. So like, I mean, I've never seen a maroon be this beige, but that's the color what they've decided to call it. I would call that beige, basically. But anyway, that's what we have. It's kind of a cookie-ish color, isn't it? Kind of like a cookie bake. Is it anything to do with Cookie Monster? Could you imagine if they did a Sesame Street box? I would lose my mind. Okay, Sophie and Toffee, I know you're watching. Please take note. If you ever do a Sesame Street box, I will absolutely lose my mind. But I just thought, you know, blue and then the cookie color is very Cookie Monster. What's this? Bubble wrap. Okay, let's move that out the way. Okay, what's this? This is glitter. Woo! Iridescent glitter. I'm matching the box again, guys. Right. Oh, that's pretty. Absolutely gorgeous iridescent glitter, but it's got more of a sort of purplish shift onto it. So yes, very, very pretty. I do like that. Oh, that's a 3-to-1 resin. 200 grams maybe? Nope. 120 grams. 120 grams of 3-to-1 resin. The 3-to-1 resin doesn't cure as fast as the 1-to-1. The 1-to-1 one cures usually within about 12 hours. This one, it says to wait 24 hours before demolding it. So yeah, do this one when you have a little bit more time to spare. Okay, what's next? A powder pigment maybe? Yes, kind of, yes. So this is a green with a hint of silver in it. Is that a mica powder? That might well be. It's a very dark green. I haven't seen any cookies that color before. I'm very intrigued to see what like the final project is supposed to be, or maybe there's more than one project. I don't know. Should we do a mold? Is there a mold in here? Here's one. It's a bit flat. What's that? I have absolutely no idea. That feels a bit like a person. I don't know. It was not a person. What is this? So we have a little teddy bear and a cute little t-shirt and a little helmet, it looks like, or a little mask, and a little vest and a little set of, are those nunchucks? Is Cookie a character? Maybe Cookie is actually a character. Maybe you guys already know this. I'm wondering if Cookie is a character and if it's this little bear. That's what I'm wondering. Oh, we have UV resin as well. Okay. So the UV resin must be to use in the smaller, flatter molds like the one that I just showed you, which would mean that the 3:1 resin must be for a bigger mold, which is probably in the bottom of this box. What's this? Confetti maybe? Oh my gosh, sprinkles! Do you know, I used to have this exact mix of sprinkles. This precise mix, I used to have it and I ran out fairly recently. So I'm glad that I have that back. Yay! Anything to do with sprinkles, I absolutely love. I'm a sprinkle-holic. What is this? Oh, something's in a box. I'm not gonna know what that is. What's this? E6000, okay. Wasn't expecting to get some glue. But what's that going to be for? That is the last thing that I expected to see was a tube of E6000. I mean, every crafter needs E6000 in their life, but I did not expect to see a whole big hefty tube of E6000. But thank you for that. Okay. Oh, we have another mold. No idea what it is. What is this? Oh, it's a little gingerbread man. Is this Cookie? Is this his name? So cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, hello. It's so cute. Look at his diddy little face. We need to name the gingerbread man. Please name him in the comments. This is adorable. I do love me some gingerbread men, has to be said. Okay, what's that? Just some more rubbish. Woo, another mold. Oh my goodness. It's another really flat one. Could this be some... Oh, actually, maybe the mask and the t-shirt and the vest are for the gingerbread man. Are these more clothes for the gingerbread man? They are. Oh my god, there's a little ninja outfit. Oh my god, this is adorable. Hold on. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, my son would love this. Oh, this is so cute. It's got a little ninja outfit and some little like mini swords and like a little like blade. This is so cute. Oh, it's just the most adorable thing. I wonder if you could make like a necklace and have all of the little clothing pieces be magnetic, and then like every day you could just sort of like swap the clothes with magnets. That's an idea. Perhaps. Or maybe you could make a set of 3 gingerbread men and have like 3 separate outfits and then link them all together and wear that as a necklace. That could be really cool. This is so cute. Oh, of course, earrings. You guys already know I love me some crazy ass earrings. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. What are you guys thinking about this box already? Is this just a pen? It's an acrylic pen. It's a really fine one, apparently. Oh no, wait, did I read that wrong? I read that completely wrong. No, I didn't. No, it is. It's 0.7 millimeters extra fine. Ooh. I have acrylic markers, but they are not as fine as that. That's super, super fine. So that's gonna be really handy for painting in really small details. I can see me using that in quite a lot of crafts, actually. Next, is this the last thing? I think that might be the last thing. That's the last thing? Yes, okay. So we have another mold, more armor. So we got helmets and, are those mini boxing gloves? They're mini boxing gloves, no. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is the cutest thing. That is so adorable. Oh my goodness. So, oh, and this one has a bow and arrow set and a little punching bag. This is so cute. This is so cute. So this one here has a sword and a shield. This one has a bow and arrow set. And this one has a punching bag and boxing gloves and little mini gloves. Oh, this is cute. Okay, now I need to see how it all looks when it's got like resin in it. Let me quickly look at the booklet. Okay, so it's called Cookie's Revenge. So I think that this is Mr. Gingerbread Man getting his own back on us for eating him. That's what I think it is. He's training so that he can basically beat us up. That's what I think it is. This is so cute. And he can dress up in different fighting outfits. Oh, that's good that they've done an image here with how they would look. Oh my gosh, you could make your whole little like tribe. Oh, this is so cute. You could definitely do like a little fridge magnet set. I know that I love me some magnets, but I could definitely see a little fridge magnet set with like 3 or 4 of them. That would be super cute. Or a necklace, but with the 3 of them all linked together. That's what I think would look really cute. Or of course you can just have them just on their own. Or do you remember the really adorable kitchen set mold that I got in was it the Pixie box? Was it the Pixie box? Yeah, it was a Pixie box, the most recent Pixie box. So a bag charm with the little gingerbread man and some of those cute little kitchen molds, the ones that had little faces on, dangling off that. That would be really cute too. There's so many things that you could do with it. This is so adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I've just seen the winners of the December box, which was the calendar. Oh my gosh, drum roll please. So the first winner is Vanessa Miles Design. That's a beautiful galaxy design there. Absolutely stunning. Well done to you, Vanessa. I don't know whether you watch my videos or not, but all the same, well done. But someone who I know does watch my videos is the Angel Rock girl. Congratulations. Oh my goodness. This calendar was literally everywhere on Instagram. Like everybody was tagging me in this and saying, girl, have you seen it? I'm like, yes, I've seen it. It's beautiful. It's amazing. Well done. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations. I absolutely love seeing members of the Shasha squad winning Sophie and Toffee boxes. Like it really warms my heart. So I'm really happy about that. What do we think about this box? Now, personally, I think it would have been nice to maybe have a different project as well. Like as well as just making the little gingerbread man and the outfits. It would have been nice to have had a separate project too. A bit like with the Pixie box, not the Pixie box, sorry, with the, yeah, it was the Pixie box. That was the perfect theme that had the trinket tray, which I made into a mirror, and it had a clock as well. You know, those are 2 very separate projects that you can do. And I thought that was quite nice. I thought that you got more sort of value out of that. This one, you are going to end up with something that's quite small, but it's up to you to kind of embellish on that. So, for example, making lots of little gingerbread men and making a full-blown magnet set, or, you know, making some bag charms or some key rings, or what else could you do with it? You could put them on little sticks and make them into like little puppets for kids. You know, there's lots of different things that you can do, but you kind of have to think outside the box a little bit. Okay, you might even want to pair it with boxes from previous months. See if it goes with anything like that. just to really sort of get the most out of it. But I think on the whole, it's a super duper cute craft and I am looking forward to doing it. Let me know what you think about this anyway in the comment section below, and if you have any other ideas then please do put them there as well, because you know that I love for us all to brainstorm together. If you enjoyed this video and you want to become part of the Shasha squad, there are two ways to do that. Number one, you can of course check out my merch store where you can get yourself a funky little t-shirt, maybe a nice little hoodie, a little something something. Or of course, if you haven't done so already, then feel free to subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.